Hey guys, so far we have spoken about plane mirrors and the law of reflection, right? So now we are going to use the knowledge of plane mirrors that we have and apply it to curved mirrors, right? So a curved mirror is nothing but a simple plane mirror but curved in shape. By curved I mean like kind of like a ball, right? How we have a ball that is curved. So if I can take this mirror and if I can bend it in the shape of a curve, that would become what we call as a curved mirror. Since I can't bend this mirror, let me show you an example with this, right? So if this is my plain flat mirror, if I take this and I put it in my palm like this, now you notice that it used to be flat, but now it is kind of become like a C shape, right? This C shape is nothing but a curved mirror. Now there are two types of curved mirrors. One that curves inside like this, right? So the reflecting side, the shiny side, this one kind of becomes like a cave, right? You see it? So this is what we call as a concave mirror. So if I start with a mirror that looks like this and I bend it towards the inside, the non-reflecting side is on the outside. This is what we call as a concave mirror. Simple way to remember, reflecting side, that's like a cave. Bend it towards the outside now, right? So the reflecting side is on the outside, it kind of bends outwards, so this becomes like this, and the non-reflecting side is now inside like the cave. So this is what we call as a convex mirror. So these are the two major types of mirrors that we are going to be talking about today, concave and convex mirrors, and how reflection can happen in both of these mirrors. So here with me I have two mirrors, right? This is, if you ever feel a concave mirror, you will see that if you touch the reflecting side, it's kind of caved inside, just like we showed over here. This is a concave mirror, yeah, and this, the other type, which is a convex mirror, right? If you touch it, it is kind of going to be bumpy towards the outside. So these are the two types of mirrors that are talked about, concave and convex. Now we're going to apply law of reflection to these mirrors. However, it is a little bit different. Here is why. Now if I look at a plane mirror like this, we know that normal is necessary to understand law of reflection. So if I draw a normal at this point, I will draw it like this, right, at 90 degrees to the mirror. If I want a normal at this point, I'll draw it like this, which is also again at 90 degrees. If I want to draw a normal at this point, this is another normal. So let me call them normal 1, normal 2, normal 3. If you notice, all three normals are actually parallel lines. They don't touch each other. So in a plane mirror, all normals are parallel to each other. By that logic, if concave mirror, if I want to look at light falling at this point of incidence, will I draw my normal like this, right? Will I just draw a straight line like this, or if it is over here, should I draw it like this, just like I drew here? No, that is not true, right? It's a little different for concave or convex mirrors. First we'll look at concave mirrors. So assume that this is a plane mirror and these are the three normals in it, right? The one like how I have drawn on the board. Now all of these nails represent three normals at three different points. Generally they are all perpendicular to each other. You see, they don't really touch. But now I'm going to try to curve this mirror. Okay, I'm going to try to curve it, make it a concave mirror. I'm going to take these strings like extensions of the normal. Now if you see, my mirror has become a curved mirror. It makes like a C shape, and the normals which were straight perpendicular are now trying to touch each other, and at some point they will, right? Currently near my thumb all of these threads are meeting, right? So for a curved mirror, be it concave or convex, this is a concave mirror, the normals will all converge at one point. So normally we draw a concave mirror like this. Okay, we just kind of make it stand up like this, and then I'll say that if I draw normal here, it will come like this. If I normal here, it's going to come like this, meet at some point. Maybe a normal here, come meet at this point, something like what we saw. This point is nothing but what we call as center of curvature. Center of curvature, or simply in short we call it capital C. So it is a very important point. Whenever you are trying to draw a normal to a point of incidence, like if my ray of light is falling here, my normal won't be here, but it will be somewhere like this, right? That is the importance of point of incidence. Cool. So now that we know what the normal looks like, we're going to try to take a look at how reflection happens in a curved mirror.